with who's the new? Cause the bitch tried to eat my soldiers too. Brutal with my duty when I meet her with my buddy. We hold a mic steady, we get ready to get crushed. Going downtown, motherfuckers wanna gut me, but they get kicked down, get dirty money. Walk in the store to get 44 cool. Walk out, walk in, get 44 more. Store clerk told me to pull up my drawers. I made war, I take her in the king store. Hey yo, popcorn player, twisty slayer with 75 bitches in your secret lair. While you bumping Mackonator at the pimpin' spot, tell me this doggy how it gets so hot.
Let's go.
You a little privacy? Hell no. Get what you see and take a big line of blow. What the fuck y'all be acting like a hoe when you knew us coming up in the room, smoke the crow? So take yourself to the damn hospital. Then tell a couple pull out her nipple. Then do a fucking triple backflip. Then in position, just pull a lot of shit. You know my shit is terrible. At the same time, it ain't comparable. It ain't sparable. You need it. Get it for my shit. Then fucking eat it. Be my excrement and then die. Take 30 MCs divided by pi. Sodomize yourself with a knife. Why? Go fuck your life.